So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set price alerts for stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance application, first thing you have to do is either search up a stock of your choice or just find one, either through most viewed, whatever the case may be. So for demonstration, how about I go to the search bar at the top and I will search up ticker symbol Amazon. AMZN, Amazon right here, equity. Now, if you wanted to set price alerts for the stock, it's fairly straightforward. In the top right, there's a whole bunch of different options. You have the star icon, you have the bell icon, and the share icon. If you were to go ahead and press on the bell icon right here, you're now going to be setting a price alert for the stock. So as of right now, at the time of recording this video, the stock is $159.12. Let's just say, for example, you wanted this to be 155. Go ahead and type in this, then press on done, and then press on create right here, right below it. Once you create it, it'll say Amazon notifications for Yahoo Finance. Don't miss your Amazon Finance. I'll press OK. Once that is done, it'll say notifications. It'll say don't allow for this demonstration. And there you go. So now under price alerts, I have 1 out of 100 potentially of a Amazon at $155. But this could work for whatever stock you're looking for. But it's pretty straightforward. This is how to set price alerts for any stock you want here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.